Hey guys, it's Albert here with the hotel team. So I'm trying to replicate a Stripe issue. So I'm going to back up here a couple steps. So basically, I came in here to my Stripe account and I click the disconnect button, and now I'm going to the connect with Stripe, and this is the page I got. The reason I did it this way is we have a user here who is attempting to connect with Stripe. So there's a couple things I'm going to have them do. Make sure they have their default selected, and then attempt to reconnect with Stripe. And then once I have them do that, and I'm assuming that they're going to have the same issue, I'm going to have them disconnect or delete the integration and then reintegrate it. And I'm going to do the same thing right now. Okay. But if that does not work, I'm just going to go ahead and send this video in as replicating the same issue that they're having. Okay. All right. Thanks.